But if I'm speaking to people, some people are not going to like what I'm speaking. I'm not going to stop speaking the truth. Because they don't like it. If he called the police, and they already know that. You the first time you did that I seen it. That I remember. Just in case the thing. If you call the police, that means you're trying to give to people who need it. I just let somebody who thankful, who was thankful. But look at them tracks. Fresh tracks from his truck in my yard. He just burned rubber all in my yard. He just tried to run me over with his truck, but I didn't call you.
Okay. Then you need to, like you were asking, why are we here?
I'm not going to answer those questions. That's him. He called you. I didn't answer that. And I'm not out here threatening anybody to ask you questions that make no sense. But it doesn't make any sense. That's none of your business what I have if I'm not harming anybody. If I'm not harming anybody, you have no business thinking you even have the audacity to question me.
When we pulled up, you were standing in the middle of the street,
on
the sidewalk.
We already went over that.
Okay, so that's the reason for our investigation,
No.
whether there was a 911
No,
call
how
or
did you
not.
get here?
We got a 911
So
call.
you're a liar, see?
No.
When you deal with the
I'm not lying.
If you got a call, you're coming because you got a call.
Right.
You're not calling because I was walking in the street.
I didn't say that.
Yes,
I said
you did.
on top of that.
But the reason we're investigating is because you're not investigating me.
But we got a car that you got a weapon.
Which is stupid. Because I showed them, he don't want to see no footage. He got pistols, put it on. He chopped down my children's tent right here. I have it all on footage. But they don't want to. No, it's the same issue because the same dirty motherfucker called you. And you won't go do shit to the people selling drugs in there. And you think you're going to intimidate me. You're out of your fucking mind. You're out of your fucking mind. You don't intimidate me. I don't give a fuck about your guns. None of your shit. I'm going to be truthful and I'm going to stand up and do what I'm supposed to do, whether you come or not. I'm not offending anybody. The only people offended by me are wicked people. This is why I'm being respectful unto you. But all that shit that you used to doing, you don't do that here. It doesn't work. If I was wrong, then I couldn't say nothing. But I'm absolutely right.
And like I tried to explain to you, we did have a 911 call. Okay, on top of that, when we were going down the street, you were standing about right here in the middle of the street. Okay, which is a reason to investigate you.
No,
okay, it is.
I pay for the city. I'm the city. Okay. I pay taxes. I can walk in the street where I want to walk. He's impeding the traffic right now. Arrest him. You're impeding the traffic right now. And you work for me. Arrest yourself. Somebody just came and put hands on me. But I didn't call you. You know what I did? Stayed with my book. I could have beat the fuck out of him. If I had a weapon, I could have used it. But I do have a weapon. The weapon I use is true. You can't deal with that. That's why your heart is racing, all impounded. You can't take it because you're lazy. You're supposed to be a police. Look, you're lazy. And you come fucking with people who speaking against crime. Yeah, because they sell drugs in the store every day. None of you over there arresting them. He's fraudulent. He buys people's EBT cards and goes sell them out in other stores. It was a young boy murdered there. Where's the investigation? Or got shot right there. Where's the investigation? You think you're going to come talk to me? It makes no sense. So I'm only giving you this to show you something. That the problem is people making false claims. That's the problem, and you don't do shit about it. Go do your duty instead of impeding traffic. What you said you was investigating me for. I pay your taxes, I'm investigating your ass. Get your ass out the street. Stop holding up the street. And go make my tax dollars do something. Go protect my family and my children from niggas, and white or black niggas. Go protect them from you, murderers. Now, you're done. Actually, we're done. No crime here except for you.
Put your hands in the air.
Man, if you put your hand,
wait, put your hand. If you raise that on me, I will beat you still.
You will beat what? Beat what?
Get back, Mara. Get back, Mara.
Get him. He ain't going down without fighting.
Get back. You're just go on your property. Go back.
I'm
Go
back.
back.
I'm back.
Go back.
I can record.
You can record.
I'm right
I
here.
need you to stay back. Put it down. Just drop
Mark,
it.
give me that.
Just put it down.
Mark.
Just put it down, okay?
7-Eleven, 4 around the location.
All this for what?
I tried to explain it to him. You want to take the kids back up there? You can still record. You want to take the kids back up in there?
I need units to make it to this 8105 East 4. Copy.
Would you mind just having... That's your daughter?
Okay, I got units. I got an officer at the location. They're fighting over there.
7-Eleven.
Stop feeling my dick, man. See? You bro? My man?
Amara.
You gonna let him do this to me?
Amara.
I didn't.
You have a history.
I don't have.
Okay,
You don't know my
weapons,
history.
And you're gonna swing on me.
You don't know me, nigga.
Well,
You
we
shouldn't
try to
put your hand on
investigate
me.
you.
You don't put your hands on
stand 'em
me.
up.
Who the fuck you think you are? You don't put your hands on me. You don't put your hands on me, nigga. This the shit I'm talking about. When you stand
back,
up on
Amara.
your family, this what they do.
Set back, Amara.
Now I don't only fight you. The young brother that just hit me, I didn't fight him. But when they came, what I do? These the niggas that's murdering. Not me, murdering you. They murdering.
What weapon?
Hey,
Back up, Samara. Back up, Samara. Can you have his things, please?
Just a second. Just wait.
Back up, Mara.
Yeah, you guys just back up a little bit, all right? Can you guys go back by the tree?
Come back, Samara. Come back, Amara. Hey. Come here. Go in there now. I just told you that, Mara, too.
You want me to get all this? And then give it back to Mom?
Now. You. Can she hand me that, please?
No. I don't know who you are. You all right? Yeah. Is it?
Yeah, I know.
Last I checked, this is city property. You go ahead and take that back up to the house.
I can, okay, well, you saying I can't record?
You can record all you want.
Okay, well, I'm
but
here.
I'm not going to have somebody walk up holding a weapon.
Mark, go take that
Take
back.
that back up to the house. Because this is city property.
Yeah, and I have I pay the city too. Hmm.